So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 30-gallon natural gas water heater. Here's your model number, serial number right there. You can go to bradfordwhite.com, give them the serial number, your contact information, get your warranty going on this. Up top, first thing we did to give you a new vent pipe going up into the, through the roof, or not through the roof, it's into an old style flashing, so it doesn't penetrate it. It's got a cap on top. And then down here, a couple of adjustable 90-degree offset fittings. So it's vented out, new pipe. Also on the hot side, we give you a new brass nipple and Falcon stainless steel connector down to the tank. Additionally, from the first tee, you got a copper line that goes into the home. It comes over here and it ties into the back side. I'm not going to get up there and take a picture right now, but there's a tee right there after the pipe steps out of the wall. We took everything else apart, so we gave you a brand new quarter-turn shutoff ball valve. It's a Watts 3/4 full port. In front of that, we gave you a 3/4 brass tee and also a 3/4 90, and then we reinstalled this expansion tank up there. So that's good. And then we just gave you another 3/4 T, had a gauge on here for pressure. So we had some brass fittings. So it's solid brass from our valve moving forward. Put the gauge back on, looks like about 65 pounds of pressure. And then of course, Falcon stainless steel connector down to the cold side. Another connector over to the relief line. The old one was pointing down under the garage floor. So this one here, there was a copper, was abandoned in the wall. We just cut it, put an adapter on. Got you a new connector over to the relief valve. Adjustable strap on the upper third, adjustable strap on the lower third. Then of course a brand new gas shutoff valve with a flexible connector. Bottom up here, there was an old water heater pan in there, and it had a galvanized nipple in there. Anyways, we just gave you a new pan here, and then a PVC 90 pointing down in the event water does get into the pan, it's going to drain out onto the garage floor. So your water heater is lit. It'll be about an hour, hour and a half. We have hot water. It's set to approximately 120 degrees. We recommend 120 or less on all water heaters for residential purposes. And one last thing we did do is up here, we gave you just a little bit of plumber's tape. It's the only thing that we really had. It'd be nice if we had some commercial products, some screws and some all thread and a J hanger, but we didn't. So we wanted to help support this tank. It's probably 20 pounds or so full of water, and you got piping coming out of the wall. It was just hanging there before, but we just wrapped it around that piping there, took it up to the roof sheathing, and put some screws in it just to help support that. Also another block here on this piping that's coming from the water heater, serving something in the, I don't know, maybe the kitchen, we don't know, or I don't know. So there's a little block on the strap because it was bouncing around, so now that's fastened securely. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.